In this video, I will show you how to type this symbol in Microsoft Word. So there are some methods. First one, insert equation and click here. So you have to find out here. This symbol. There is two variant. And another method, insert and symbol, more symbols. Find this normal text in font and here select Greek and Coptic. This one, Greek and Coptic. And here you need to find out this symbol. So this one, shortcut key for this symbol is 0385 followed by Alt plus X. So insert. If you want to insert and type this symbol using symbol shortcut, so 03B5 03B5 Alt plus X. So thanks for watching. This is the method to type this symbol in Microsoft Word.